Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can send high quality photos on Messenger. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger, and you need to update your Messenger application. As you can see, my Messenger is up to date. Then you need to go back and you need to log in into your Messenger account. So once you log in, you simply need to open any conversation and click on this icon in the bottom left, and on the top you can see an option of HD, but unfortunately that option is not rolled out in my country yet, so I am unable to see that option. But if you see that option of HD, you simply need to click on that and you can easily send HD photos in any conversation on Messenger. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.